Hey everyone, and welcome back to Business Zone. With the digital age in full swing, people are getting creative with their money-making techniques. If you're strapped for cash or just want to add to your monthly income, you have many options with online jobs and gigs. There are a wide variety of jobs, so it will be easy to find one that suits your skills and interests. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 20 easy ways to make money online. Make sure you stay until number 1 so you don't miss out on top 20 easy ways to make money online. Number 20, start your own website. Starting a website doesn't have to be difficult. There are many tools out there that will help you to build one. If you choose to invest a bit of money, you can have one professionally made. This investment will be great because a good website can earn you a passive income. This means you'll be earning money while you sleep. It's easy and lucrative. Just get your site monetized and you're all set. Number 19, review music. Do you love music? Do you listen to it on a regular basis? Do you want to get paid to do this? Well, luckily, you can. On the website Slice the Pie, you can get paid to review music. This may be a bit of a slow process since you need to build up a reputation, but once you get there, you can earn a good chunk of change each month. That cha-ching sound will be music to your ears. Number 18, become a click worker. Clickworker.com is a website that is based on internet crowdsourcing. Websites look for small specific tasks to be completed in exchange for some money. This is a great way to earn at your own pace. You can choose which job you want to do. The jobs are usually data entry or form filling jobs, so they don't require any heavy skills. Anyone can do it. Try it out and be surprised at how much you can earn each month. Number 17, sell secondhand course textbooks. Course books can be expensive. If you've had to purchase any in the past, you'll know this. Luckily, if you don't need them anymore, you can just sell them online. There are plenty of people online looking for used course books for discounted prices. They're always in high demand, and because of this, you can earn a quick buck selling yours. It's easy and risk-free. Number 16, rent out your house for filming. Filmmakers, especially student filmmakers, are always looking for places to film. If you live somewhere near a film school or in an area with a large number of filmmakers, you can actually rent out your house for filming. This is a great way to earn big because depending on the film's budget, you can earn anywhere from a couple of hundred to thousands of dollars for just a couple of days. And usually the filmmakers will give you free meals and make sure your house is left spotless when they leave. Awesome. Number 15, online survey. Online surveys are a popular way to earn quick cash. With legitimate sites, you can earn quite a decent amount of cash. It's simple really, you just gotta answer some questions and earn. Businesses send out these surveys to figure out the best way to market and sell their products. So you're helping them out by completing these surveys. It may be a bit time consuming, but once you start earning, it's absolutely worth it. Number 14, Disney Vault. This one is not a well-known moneymaker. The Disney Vault is where old Disney movies are kept until they're re-released years later. Some people have discovered a secret. If you buy these Disney films when they're out at a regular price, you can then sell them for a big profit once they're locked back up in the Disney Vault. A copy of the Blu-ray Beauty and the Beast sold for over $70 online once it was back in the Disney Vault. This is a little-known secret that can rake in those big bucks. Number 13, delivery driver or rider. Food delivery apps such as Uber Eats are really popular. Many customers flock to these apps at all hours of the day. Luckily for you, you can take advantage of this. You can become a delivery driver too. There are many options available for you. You can use a car or a bike, you can even just walk. This is great because it's flexible and can potentially earn you a ton of cash. It is a popular part-time job and you can jump on that bandwagon too while it's not too late. Number 12, get cash back while shopping. Did you know you can earn money while shopping? It's true. There are apps out there that will help you to find discounts and earn while you shop. These apps usually have links to special shops that you can go to. Once you go to the checkout, special prices will be added. It's a great way to save when you buy, especially if you need some extra cash. Number 11, become a babysitter. Babysitting is in no way a new job. Teens have been babysitting to save up money for decades, but now it's become even easier. There are actually websites online where you can find babysitting jobs in your area. It's a great tool because you can find a perfect gig for your schedule. You can even choose how many kids you're willing to babysit. This is a great cash earner. Number 10, become an extra. Everyone wants to be a star, right? Well, it isn't too easy, but sometimes filmmakers are looking for background actors. You don't need to be a skilled actor in order to be able to earn extra. You can find gigs online and even sometimes on Facebook pages. These don't pay as big as main actors, but get enough of these gigs and you can earn big cash and maybe even some connections. Number 9, become a mystery shopper. Mystery shoppers are a great way for shop owners to audit a shop and its workers. A mystery shopper is someone who gets paid to go to stores and shop. They then relay the information back to the owner, giving detailed reports on how the employees are working, how easy it was to find what they needed, and other important information to show how well the shop is going. Luckily, you can find gigs online that are looking for mystery shoppers. It is a simple job, and you can earn some nice chunks of change. Number 8. Gigs on Fiverr. Fiverr has recently built a reputation for selling strange services. From people dressed up as Jesus giving out motivational messages to pranksters telling you how to do pranks. This website has it all. But recently, Fiverr has built up a serious workforce of people who are selling legitimate online services. Many of these are website audits, graphic designers, and logo making. It is a great site to sign up for if you have a digital skill that you like to sell. Building up your reputation may take some time, but some people have claimed to make thousands of dollars a month. Number 7. Claim tax back. When you work a summer job or even a part-time job, you're paying quite a large chunk of income tax. The same thing happens when you're part of a paid internship. This happens because employers put on emergency basic tax codes when they pay students. Students have a tax-free allowance or maximum that they rarely actually reach each year, but companies will usually disregard this. You can actually find out how much tax you're due back and earn quite a large sum of money. Number 6. Sell old CDs, movies, and games. Second-hand items are always in demand. If you've got some CDs, movies, and games lying around, it is almost certain that someone is looking for it. You may think that nobody is looking for physical media anymore since we live in the digital age, but this is far from the truth. Collectors on websites such as eBay are always on the lookout for physical media, so try selling your stuff today and see how much cash comes in. Number 5. Buy and sell domain names. Domain names are actually a hidden gem. Buying and selling these internet items can be highly lucrative. To do this, buy a domain name that is catchy and has the possibility to be popular. One-word names are really popular. Once you purchase the domain name, sit on it until someone wants to buy the name, then sell it at a higher price. You need to do a bit of investing funds and time for this, but once you get the hang of it, you can make a living buying and selling domain names. Number 4. Review websites and apps. Reviews are helpful and can tell content and media creators what they need to do in order to make their content better. That's why businesses and creators are always looking for people to review their work. Just like music reviews and surveys, websites and app developers will pay people to review their products, and you can be one of the people they pay. This is another way to earn, and it just needs a little bit of your time and effort. Number 3. Become a YouTuber. YouTube is huge. Many people have become very famous thanks to this video sharing platform. There are ways to make a living thanks to YouTube. YouTube has partnership plans that help you to monetize your videos. You can also make money on YouTube with ads or sponsorships. The earnings range from a couple of $100 a month to thousands of dollars a month, depending on how much you monetize your content. This can be quite slow and requires a lot of time and effort, but the payoff can be tremendous once you get it down. Number 2. Sell stock photos. You most likely heard of Getty Images or Adobe Stock Images. These are sites where you can pay a licensing fee to get a collection of images that you can use for your projects. Sometimes the fee is steep, but the collections are usually large. Did you know you can actually take part in the earnings? Just take some photos and add them to their library and you can get paid. The best part is that you don't even need much effort. Just a nice camera that can take high quality images and a couple of subjects that are of interest to people. They can be people or inanimate objects. The freedom is there and it's completely flexible. Number 1. Sell clothes online. Much like selling secondhand course books, selling secondhand clothes can be a big moneymaker. People love looking for cheaper alternatives to expensive clothes, and with the rise of e-commerce, people are starting to ditch the thrift stores and are looking for their clothes online. You too can sell your clothes online and watch as the cash rolls in. You can set the prices to your liking and sell in a variety of ways. It's simple and can help you earn. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of the 2 videos on your screen. See you there!